All right, we're going to continue with our eyebrow dormer roof, and where we left off, we grabbed this grip and we kind of pulled this through, and we used our join geometry to get that line, that arc line there. So I'm going to go to my site plan, and what I'm going to do is, the problem is when I start editing this footprint of this roof and this, you can't leave them joined together, but temporarily it serves a purpose. So I'm going to go up here now to architecture, and I'm going to temporarily use that line and draw a model line using the pick option, and I'm just going to pick on there and then hit escape. Okay, now I'm going to unjoin because that join is going to cause a problem when I get into editing. So I'm going to say unjoin. It's served its purpose now, okay, between there. Okay, now they're not joined, but when I go into my wireframe here, I can see that green line, right? That's what I want. So now I pick the big roof and I say edit footprint. And then I can use the pick option, okay? And I'll pick this line here, although it looks a bit weird, and then pick the inside, and pick the inside of those walls. Okay, then here's the next tricky part is Revit won't let you trim between these 2 points. So what I have to do is drag and use my tab key. See how to find that intersection? Watch, look, tab, there it is. Because trim isn't going to work. So there's a couple of things you got to do. So grab this, pull this guy down, click out. Okay, now I can take these 3 guys and remove the pitch. So I get rid of the slope on there. Oops. Did I miss one? I missed a couple of them. So grab these and take the pitch off. Click out. Now go to the 3D view temporarily. Okay, over here. And there is that hole. That's the hole in the roof. Okay, now I'm going to go up to here and hit finish. And it's going to say, do you want walls to join? I'm going to say don't attach and click out. And there's my new roof with my nice line. Now I can take this and do the same thing. Trim it back to that point. I could take these little side walls temporarily and just attach them to this roof, and that'll get rid of that. See that line there? Grab this little wall right there and say attach top to here. Click out, escape. So my roof is ready, and if I go up to my second floor now and I do a little camera view on my second floor, you can see that I've cut the hole in the floor and I can look outside. Maybe turn the shading on. There's that opening we cut to see out the windows.